Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello, how are you?
How was the mission? How was that week?
I think it was amazing. It was awesome.
Yeah.
And I've not been to Seattle.
Okay.
And I think Washington has been the best place
Okay.
with Christians all around and a community that is loving.
Yeah.
And we have had a great time in the presence of God.
Yeah.
And this is one of the places that I found that men love God.
Yeah.
And they are leading from the front.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Also, one word for those people you interacted with. I know you visited several churches. Maybe one word for those people you interacted with,
I just want to
even if
say,
you're host.
I want to say a great thank you
Yeah.
to Reverend Ruth and Elder Ngige
Yeah.
for inviting me and the Church of Washington.
Yeah.
May God truly bless you. I know that, as I said, this is your appointed time and this is your season. Things will never be the same again. The way we spoke, the way you received the word, and I was also receiving the word.
Yeah.
I saw a love that I've not seen. There was the community of Pacific Northwest, and I just saw the love that is flowing here. Love is God, and I believe that this place, God is going to transform it and change it, possess your possessions.
I remember when we received you at the airport, you said that we will expect from the Holy Spirit.
Yes.
Did you accomplish your mission?
Yes, there was a great move of the Spirit.
Yeah.
And I could tell that it was a time. That is why I'm saying it is the appointed time
Yeah.
for Seattle.
Yeah.
Because when the Spirit wants to do something,
Yeah.
you start to see the vibration in the air.
Yeah.
You could tell by the time when we called an altar call
Yeah.
and the young people came, that told me the future is bright.
Yeah. Now the week is over. You told us you, we wanted you to be with us for a month, but you said you'll be with us for 1 week. What are you taking back home? Which report are you going to take home?
A very good report.
Yeah.
One that we have young people, the future.
Yeah.
Here in Washington, I saw there were very many babies, there were many young people, and the culture
Yeah.
has been preserved.
Yeah.
People are speaking Kikuyu in Washington, you know.
Yeah.
And we found people who came here, they are supporting one another.
Yeah.
And that is the same, that unity and that love is something that I pray that even down there we'll continue to have. And that is the same thing that His Excellency Rigathi is saying, that people must live in unity and people must speak one language and people must start to love
Yeah.
their country, their communities, and start to work together as one people.
You are a chief campaigner for Boy Child. There are those cases that you experienced back home. Did you encounter with similar cases here in Washington?
Yes, when we went to downtown, I found there were also homeless and many who were outside the shop, and I could see they were telling me, of course, they have shelter, they come there, they beg and all that. And it is my prayer that the church in Washington will take its position, because actually that is the future church. I've just said today that if they can be able to get them and support them, these people, they are not crippled, they are not disabled, they are intelligent. Perhaps if given an opportunity and brought to God, those are the future missionaries, that is the future church, and the potential is there.
Do you think you'll come back to Seattle again?
Of course I will.
Yeah. Okay. The last question. There are some landmarks in Seattle. Did you visit one of them, like Space Needle?
Yes,
Because
I went
if you-
to the Space
because
Needle.
If you tell somebody that you are in Seattle, he will ask you. "Did you go to
Yeah,
Space Needle?"
I went there and we saw the rotating grass, and we had to conquer our fears.
Okay.
Yeah, watching from many floors, and you see down there, and many of the people are fearing to fall in there. So I think it was a beautiful sight.
There were days you are doing like 2 or 3 meetings. Do you feel exhausted?
No, I don't feel exhausted.
Okay.
In fact, I saw the time went too fast.
Okay.
When I'm going to take the message, the gospel, that is my best moment. And you see, the Spirit of the living God gives you. I'm just a vessel that I'm used. When the vessel is being used, it's cleaned and it is energized by the one who sent it. So as a vessel, I can't tell you I'm exhausted. In fact, I'm feeling rejuvenated.
Okay.
Yes.
Thanks so much, ma'am. We were very happy to have you with
Yeah.
us. God
Thank
bless
you for
as
the
go
warm
back home.
welcome, and
Yeah.
thank you even for the interview. God
Oh,
bless you.
okay.
Yeah.
One more thing.
You are watching Pacific Waves Television USA, a place of nourishment.